Top 5 Best Woodworking Vises. Number 5. Shop Fox D4328. The Shop Fox D4328 is constructed out of cast iron and has polished guide rods. It also features sliding dogs for attaching long pieces to the workbench that can be removed when not in use. You can mount it on top of a workbench that's 2 inches thick or 1.5 inches thick if you use a shim. It comes with pre-drilled holes for securing the tool to the workbench. This woodworking vise uses a quick-release mechanism for easy manipulation and faster work. The vise has a jaw width of 9 inches and a 10-inch jaw opening, which is ideal for working on any project type. What we like: jaw opening of 10 inches. Screw has Acme threads. It can hold larger workpieces thanks to its sliding stop dogs. Guide rods that ensure superior alignment. Sturdy and durable. What we don't like: expensive. Mounting bolts and screws are sold separately. Coming in number 4. Wilton 78A. First off, this Wilton 78A woodworking tool is an end vise. You need to install this woodworker's vise by mounting it on the workbench. To be installed properly, your workbench needs to be 3 inches thick. As support, it has a mountain flange that makes installation easier. One of the greatest features of this vise is its 10-inch jaw opening. This, plus its 7-inch jaw width and 4-inch throat depth, is enough for most professionals. The front jaw also has extra features. It can double as a bench dog and can rise above the vise by up to 9/16 inches to flatten workpieces. It can also pivot 10 degrees to the 2 sides, which allows you to apply pressure on wood surfaces. What we like: quick release mechanism. Durable. Ideal for medium and heavy-duty use. Comes with an installation manual. Can be used for clamping irregular wood shapes. Easy to operate. What we don't like: expensive. Heavy. Coming in number 3. Eclipse Quick Release Woodworking. The Eclipse Quick Release is one of the best woodworking vises available when it comes to quick release mechanisms. With a squeeze of the lever, you can release the clamp pressure and take your workpieces. This will only take a mere second and eliminates the handle turning woodworkers formerly had to do to open and close jaws. It has a 7-inch jaw width and 3-inch depth, making the vise ideal for medium to large workpieces. It has a sturdy cast iron construction, and its slide rods are made from industrial-grade steel. This woodworker's vise also features an adjustable front stop. It lets you gain more clamping leverage when using the Eclipse with a bench stop. What we like: sturdy construction. Easy installation. Comes with pre-drilled holes. Adjustable front stop that can increase clamping pressure. Quick release mechanism. Comes with Tommy bar for increased safety. What we don't like: front stop could be higher. Smaller throat depth. Coming in number 2. Yost Vises 750Di. This Yost Vises 750Di woodworking vise was made for extreme duty with a clamp force of 13,400 pounds. It's made from heavy-duty 65,000 psi ductile iron castings, which is 3 times stronger than your average cast iron woodworking vise. Its wood jaw isn't very wide at 5 inches, but it makes up for it with a relatively deep 4-inch throat depth and a swivel head and base. The vise head rotates 360 degrees and locks every 30 degrees, totaling to 12 different locking positions. The vise base also rotates 360 degrees with 2 positions and a gear lock that keeps it in place where you left it. What we like: vise head rotates 360 degrees with 12 different locking positions. Vise base rotates 360 degrees with 2 different locking positions. Swivel gear lock ensures that the tool doesn't move from its assigned position. Extremely durable. Self-aligning pipe jaws minimize damage to wood. Comes with 3 sets of jaws: parallel serrated top jaws, serrated pipe, and smooth V-jaws for round and flat stock. All jaws are replaceable. Secure clamping. What we don't like: manual is vague when it comes to the actual installation. Baseplate is a little thin. Coming in number 1. Yost M9WW. Yost has been making tools for over a century, and each product shows off its expertise. The Yost M9WW is no exception to this. This woodworking vise has a 9-inch jaw width, 10-inch jaw opening, and throat depth of 4.06 inches. It's actually part of a Yost woodworking vise series. There are other machines with 7-inch and 10-inch widths. With the quick release lever's help, you can make adjustments by pulling the lever and sliding the jaw back and forth. You are ensured of powerful clamping by manipulating the buttress threaded main screw. And if you're working on a particularly huge project, you can use the bench dog in conjunction with a bench stop for added stability. What we like. Made out of 30,000 psi cast iron for durability. Comes with a Tommy bar that protects it from extreme pressure and ensures user safety. Comes with an adjustable bench dog. Works fast, thanks to the quick release lever. Buttress threaded main screw instead of Acme screws are used for powerfully clamping. Easy to install. What we don't like. Very heavy. No installation manual.